Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Sin. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some more example words that start with Sin. In our last video, we covered the letter G. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. This latest scene we can say is the new category. Like in the previous videos, we learned this category re, ze, re, je, ye. Now is the new one scene like sin, shin, hin. All these three from one category. We can say like simple. The writing style is the same, just the difference is in dot. Sin, like how the sa sound in English sa. When initial style is like this one, in middle part is coming like this, final joint is this one, final unjoint is this one. We can say sin is also from the second category, that is coming at the beginning of words, middle of words, and end of words. It means with this letter also we can connect another letters to the left side and to the right side. When it comes at the beginning and at the middle, the style is changed. We can say like simple, the below part of the letter is removed. Yeah. At the beginning, like at the first video, we cleared this topic that the letter that is coming at the beginning and middle, end, and all these three fourth, the style is changed. In these two cases, when it came at the beginning and middle, style is changing, writing style. Yeah. In a word, for example, like we have seen at the beginning, like sapar. Sapar. Sapar means travel or journey. زه سبا سفر ته ځم. زه سبا سفر ته ځم. It means I'm going on a trip tomorrow, or I have a trip tomorrow, we can say. زه means I, سبا tomorrow, سفر ته on a trip, ځم going. زه سبا سفر ته ځم. I'm going on a trip tomorrow. Or we have هغه له خپل ورور سره سفر کوي. هغه له خپل ورور سره سفر کوي. It means he is traveling with his brother. هغه means he. له خپل ورور سره with his brother. له خپل with his ورور brother سره like with سفر کوي traveling. هغه له خپل ورور سره سفر کوي. He is traveling with his brother. زه د ښه سفر هیله لرم. زه د ښه سفر هیله لرم. It means I wish you a good trip. I wish you a good trip. زه means I د ښه سفر a good trip هیله لرم wish. زه د ښه سفر هیله لرم. I wish you a good trip. Another word that sin is coming on it, like at the middle, pasarlai. Pasarlai. Pasarlai means the spring season. پسرلی. پسرلی د طبیعت ښکلی موسم دی. پسرلی د طبیعت ښکلی موسم دی. It means spring is the beautiful season of nature. پسرلی spring د طبیعت nature of the nature ښکلی beautiful موسم season دی is. پسرلی د طبیعت ښکلی موسم دی. Spring is the beautiful season of nature. په پسرلي کې هوا ګرمه او ښه وي. په پسرلي کې هوا ګرمه او ښه وي. It means in spring the weather is warm and pleasant. In spring the weather is warm and pleasant. په پسرلي کې in spring هوا weather ګرمه warm او and ښه pleasant وي is. په پسرلي کې هوا ګرمه او ښه وي. In spring the weather is warm and pleasant. زه پسرلی ډېر خوښوم. زه پسرلی ډېر خوښوم. It means I like spring very much. زه پسرلی ډېر خوښوم. I like spring very much. زه means I پسرلی spring ډېر very خوښوم like. Another word that's seen is on it, like for example, ass. Ass means horse. هغه آس سپین رنګ لري. هغه آس سپین رنګ لري. It means that horse is white in color. هغه means that ass horse سپین white رنګ color لري. Have. Like لري. Have. It means like this one, like you can see like, yeah, like that horse has white in color, has white color like this one is white in color, but like Larry means the proper meaning of Larry means have or has, but in this case like he's acting like is. هغه آس سپین رنگ لري. That horse is white in color. And if we translate like this sentence, it means like in Pashto you can say like this one. هغه آس په سپین رنگ کې دی. Like دی means is. This and that, like in both, formal you can say. هغه آس په تیزۍ سره روان دی. هغه آس په تیزۍ سره روان دی. It means that horse is running fast. هغه again that horse په تیزۍ سره running fast. روان دی, like it's going, it's moving. هغه آس په تیزۍ سره روان دی. That horse is running fast. زه په آس سپور یم. زه په آس سپور یم. It means I'm riding a horse. زه means I. په آس by a horse. سپور یم riding. I'm riding a horse. زه په آس سپور یم. I'm riding a horse. Yeah. Now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. Sapar, sapar, travel or journey. زه سبا سفر ته ځم. زه سبا سفر ته ځم. I am going on a trip tomorrow. هغه له خپل ورور سره سفر کوي. هغه له خپل ورور سره سفر کوي. He is traveling with his brother. زه د ښه سفر هیله لرم. زه د ښه سفر هیله لرم. I wish you a good trip. پسرلی. پسرلی. Spring. پسرلی د طبیعت ښکلی موسم دی. پسرلی د طبیعت ښکلی موسم دی. Spring is the beautiful season of nature. په پسرلي کې هوا ګرمه او ښه وي. په پسرلي کې هوا ګرمه او ښه وي. In spring the weather is warm and pleasant. زه پسرلی ډېر خوښوم. زه پسرلی ډېر خوښوم. I like spring very much. Ass, ass, horse. هغه آس سپین رنګ لري. هغه آس سپین رنګ لري. That horse is white in color. هغه آس په تیزۍ سره روان دی. هغه آس په تیزۍ سره روان دی. That horse is running fast. زه په آس سپور یم. زه په آس سپور یم. I'm riding a horse. If you would like to learn Pashto or Dari online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like iTalk and Quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.